Former US President Donald Trump is battling another set of charges against him. Sources said that he has been indicted over his handling of classified documents. A federal grand jury has indicted Trump for retaining classified documents and obstruction of justice. Reports said that he retained the documents at his Florida home after leaving the White House. According to reports, the 76-year-old is facing 7 charges including unauthorized retention of classified files, making false statements and conspiracy to obstruct. It is the second indictment for Trump and the first ever federal indictment of a former president. The criminal case brought by the US Department of Justice is another blow to the former US president, as he currently seeks to regain the US presidency next year. It marks the second time that Trump, the first former US president in history to face criminal charges, and has been indicted. Trump already faces a criminal case in New York that is due to go trial in March. Sources said that Trump's legal team was notified about the 7 charges as part of a summons ordering him to appear in court in Miami on Tuesday. The indictment remains under seal, and even Trump himself has not yet seen what it says. Trump said on social media that he had been summoned to appear at the federal courthouse in Miami on Tuesday. The former president wrote on Truth Social that he had been informed by the Justice Department that he was indicted and that he was summoned to appear at the federal courthouse in Miami on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Calling the Joe Biden administration corrupt, Trump said that it has informed his attorneys that he has been indicted. Now, let's understand what are the charges against Trump. Reports said that 7 federal charges against Donald Trump include willful retention of NDI or Espionage Act, conspiracy to obstruct justice, withholding a document or record, corruptly concealing a document or record, concealing a document in a federal investigation, scheming to conceal false statements and representations. The report said that if he is found guilty, the maximum sentence will be a staggering 100 years in prison, and the minimum sentence won't attract any punishment. In 2021, the Justice Department started the probe into whether Trump mishandled classified information and documents he retained after leaving the White House. Investigators seized roughly 13,000 documents from Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach in Florida almost a year ago. 100 were marked as classified, even though one of Trump's lawyers had previously said that all records with classified markings had been returned to the government. In his defense regarding the retention of documents, Trump has always suggested that he declassified them. But Donald Trump has not provided evidence of this, and his attorneys have declined to make that argument in court filings. In April, he pleaded not guilty to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records relating to hush money paid to a porn star before the 2016 election.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.